Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer, brand owner, or just someone passionate about streetwear, today's video is for you. We're talking about how to get the best prices for manufacturing your streetwear. At Custom Clothiers Official, we understand that creating quality streetwear at competitive prices is key. That's why we offer flexible manufacturing solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're just starting out or have an established brand, you've got you covered with the best prices and top-notch quality for hoodies, t-shirts, jackets, and more. One of the biggest challenges in streetwear is balancing cost with quality. But with us, you don't have to compromise. Our prices are designed to fit your budget, no matter the size of your order, while still ensuring your products meet the highest standards. So, if you're ready to launch your streetwear line or take it to the next level, reach out to us today. We offer everything from fabric sourcing and sampling to bulk production. Contact Custom Clothiers Official for the best deals in the market. Let's create something amazing together. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into streetwear manufacturing.